Hello, we are back with the brand new Fluke Biomedical ESA700 series electrical safety analyzer, and I got something really excited to show you all. Now, I said ESA700 series, and what that means is it is the ESA710, which is the US only version, the ESA712, which doesn't have the onboard automation, and the ESA715, which is our international version with onboard automation. In this case, I'm using the ESA715. But again, this will work with any of those devices. So what happened is I went ahead and finished up my procedure and I forgot to print the sticker, and I want to show you guys how easy this is to print a sticker. So I'm going to make sure that my printer's on. Then I'm going to go up here to my 3 bars, go to results, find my procedure that I just completed, and check it out. I now have a printer button. I'm going to select my printer button and select the label that I want and go ahead and hit print. And out of my printer spits my biomed sticker. And now here it is. I have my title, it's Fluke Biomedical, our phone number on it. I did a centrifuge PM and today's date, the date in fact it passed, the tester, the date it's due, and the date that I tested it, all right here and ready to adhere to our device. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.